Good morning, everyone, and a very good morning to respected sir. My name is Sohana Parveen.
My name is Varsha Mahanti.
My name is Chanchal Sharma.
My name is Ginni Mishra.
My name is Aditi Chaudhary.
My name is Salman Raza.
We group of 6 students are very pleased to present a presentation on the topic of impact of patriarchy on national economy. So let us begin with the very first slide. The next slide. Which shows the meaning of patriarchy. Yes, the meaning of patriarchy is a system of society or government in which the father or eldest men hold all the power. Patriarchy also discriminates between boys and girls, which means that boys are given more privilege than girls from birth. Patriarchy also gives limits to women to get equal opportunities right. Patriarchy is a system in which men get more rights than women. So next slide. The next slide shows the negative and positive impact of patriarchy. The negative impact are: in a system of patriarchy, women are completely ignored. The path of their development is completely blocked. Women are not provided equal status of men. Women are also not involved in the decision making. The positive impact are: women are in a system of patriarchy, women are also get benefit because the money that their husband is about is of great benefit to women. Nowadays, woman is heavily dependent on men for money, which makes him feel like he is dominant. As long as the man brought money into the house, she will satisfied and never argued to him. But when he not brought money into the house, she started argued him. So next slide. The next topic is existence of patriarchy in different parts of country. So we can see that in a patriarchal system, in a patriarchal family, men makes all the decision men makes all the decision both in family as well as in the society. So next slide. History books main focus on male figures rather than female. Now my friend Chanchal will explain you further. So next slide.
We have a questionnaire of 15 questions. We surveyed it from 30 individuals from different backgrounds. Out of 30 people, 9 are female and remain are male. So next slide. So the first question is, do you know what patriarchy is? And we have seen that in overall and gender wise, most of the answer are given by them are yes. So next slide. Second question, would it be possible to entirely eliminate the concept of patriarchy in our society? And in this chart also, we have seen that most of the answer are given by them are yes. Next slide. According to you, what percentage of women are unemployed despite being educated? The percentage are 20 to 40%, and in gender wise also most of the answer given by them, male and female, are 20 to 40%. Now my friend Barsha will explain further. Oh sorry, my mistake, Salman.
So for question, do you think the reason of the woman unemployed is her family or societies? As you see screen on the screen graph, the overall peoples can yes, and the gender wise can also yes. Our fifth question is, does your families differentiate between boys and girls? The overall peoples can know, and gender wise peoples can also know.
Six number question. According to our what patriarchy for girl do job before marriage? Percentage of girl do job before marriage 20 to 0 to 20. 7 question, the percentage of a girl do job after marriage to get same question, same answer 0 to 20.
The slide have a question about will you ask for a dowry if you are a parent of son? And the answer given by people is no, but I think the answer is not totally true. Next slide. The 9th question is will our country progress completely if patriarchy remains in the society? And the overall answer is no, but in gender wise most of the male given the answer yes, and on the other hand female given the answer no. Next. The 10th question is there a link between gender inequality and national productivity rates? And the answer given by people is yes. The mostly given the answer is yes. In 11th question, can challenging patriarchy and promoting gender equality boost a country economic growth? And again the overall answer given by people is yes, and also gender wise is also yes. Now my friend Aditi will explain.
Does gender inequality in patriarchal society affect long-term economic development? In our overall, we can see that the mostly people were given answer yes, and in gender-wise, we can see that male were given the answer in yes, and female were given low as compared to male. Next. And the next slide having the question is about does the burden of unpaid labor typically assigned to women affect economic growth? In overall we can see that mostly the people were giving the answer in yes, and in gender wise we can see that mostly the male were giving the answer yes, and female were giving the answer very less as compared to male. Next slide. And the next slide having the question is about does patriarchy limits women access to equal employment opportunity? If we can when we are talk about overall the mostly of the people were say that yes, but in gender wise we can see that male were say that yes, and in female we can say that very less as compared to male. And the last question is about does patriarchy impact women participation in higher education and skill development? In overall, the answer is even mostly the people have given answer in yes, and in gender wise we can say that mostly the male have given the answer in yes, and female has given the very less yes as compared to male. Finally, the conclusion are most people don't even know what patriarchy is, and from the data we can clearly see that mostly the women are suffer due to the patriarchy, as the few of the people know about the problem of patriarchy, but all have different solution. But I think awareness and education may solve this problem. Last but not the least, we have ended our presentation with a beautiful quote. If patriarchy had a beautiful beginning, if patriarchy had a specific beginning, it can also have beautiful end. Thank you. We have not set queries, but if you have any question, you can ask.
The word dowry, which you used in question 9, what do you mean by that?
What?
What do you mean by dowry?
Dowry means the people who ask for the hedge.
The patriarchy only harm to women or men also?
No, it can harm to both women or men.
How?
We have shown in slide, na?
Which one slide? Which slide? Slide number 2, 1.
Slide number 3. Negative impact means negative impact. No, women are completely neglected and their path of development is completely blocked. This is negative and positive. The money which their husband is brought into the house, which is great benefit to women because it can make woman to satisfy her needs.
But the question was little bit different. Question was little bit different.
What question?
The question was, does that is it harmful to both women and men?
No, only female.
Only female.
Only female, I think.
Okay.
One more question.
Okay.
Sir,
Ask us.
what is the name of that problem?
Patriarchy.
What is the name of the problem? Which problem?
Which problem?
Sir, जैसे कि वो बताए कि मेल को भी हार्म करता है, तो वो मेल को हार्म करता है इसका नाम
The problem which affects both of them.
If the system of matriarchy is exist in society, this can harm men.
What are you looking at me?
Okay, I have one question. How can do you think that if women are pulled back from the workforce, then it will impact the economy?
Yes, sir, obviously.
Can you explain how?
Our economic growth is totally dependent with both females and males.
Any
Both played an important role, sir.
both are important.
Role
Okay.
played.
Can you elaborate it little bit more?
Just like
Like there are some places where women can't work, I think.
but in some places they can.
So the percentage is equal or higher or smaller? What is that?
Equal.
Equal?
One question I have is that I think so that patriarchal system is not bad, because in the earlier days we have seen the number of joint family was more as compared to the present situation. So I think so the patriarchal system was the reason why means the number of joint family was more earlier. Do you means agree with my opinion?
Yes, sir.
So the joint family I said. So how means you tell me that this patriarchal system is good or bad?
Bad. For women, it is obviously bad.
So but for the nation it is good, na? Because I just rightly I said that earlier we used to see that joint family. Now you tell me means adding a question to my previous question. Do you think a joint family is a better family or a nuclear family is a better?
Joint family.
If joint family is better family, you are saying that means that the patriarchal system is better.
Patriarchal system is better.
You are also telling the same thing indirectly.
Maybe better.
Maybe better. No, you means could not counter my question. Okay. This was a very difficult question for you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.